cappuccino. There's Tammy and the babies. There's the two babies. Hi, Tammy. There's Goldie. There's Lucky. Dicey. Dicey. Hi, Dicey. You and your baby, they're so cute. Yeah. Hi, Tammy. There's Cappuccino, and there's Sierra way over there. Hey, Sierra. And there's Ivy. Here's Moses. And this is Pretty Girl. She won't quit following me. And there's Carmen, our two little bitty donkeys. But they keep following me, so I can't get a good picture of them. No matter where I go, they follow me. So I have a donkey on my butt. Oh, and that right there, that's Love. Hi, Love. Hi, Love. And here comes Simon. I have donkeys on my butt.